Chief Minister have briefed everything. So he has no time to talk also. So Chief Minister have said everything on the detail, and they also support by all the cabinet ministers. That's good. Thing is, he has patiently listening to the cabinets briefing by the Honorable Chief Minister and also the colleague cabinets. So he had taken all the patient hearings. So yes, hope, but decision cannot take then and there. No? How can say yes, no? He didn't say anything. He had accepted. Then he will exercise his mind. Definitely something will come out. See, anything, the timing is very important. Then and there, if you come to me also, then and there I cannot take the decision. I listen to everyone. Then I had to do my official survey also, work with the government, central government level. Definitely, if I am also the union minister, definitely they have to do their exercise in mind. So wait, the decision will be given. I don't have to react anything on that. We don't play politics for the interest of the state. Why should we play politics? No politics here. Why should you play politics, tell me? Ka jing penya dengan Sorkar kami yang habis up, baru kadai ke jing karai di mesin Sorkar kami halau dekat.